people. Today I'm gonna tell you about something. Look at this video. Oh my, that was so shocking. I almost fainted. Phew! I think Ben was trying to scare me because he thinks that I'm a scaredy cat. So I should not be a scaredy cat. Stupid Ben. Kill him now! I defeated him in just 3 steps. That red color box over there, that was his house. I am the best in the world. Better than dogs. Oh.